Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2126, indicates an issue with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B, which is crucial for the vehicle's throttle control system. The APP sensor measures the position of the accelerator pedal, converting the physical position into a voltage signal that the powertrain control module, PCM, utilizes to adjust engine performance. When the APP sensor B provides a voltage reading that falls outside the specified range, the PCM identifies this as an anomaly and logs the DTC. Accurate readings from the APP sensor are important for the engine's efficiency, power delivery, and overall safety. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module and is located within the pedal assembly inside the vehicle, allowing it to sense the driver's input in real time. Addressing this error is vital for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance with emission regulations. Through proper troubleshooting procedures outlined in the manual, technicians can systematically pinpoint the source of the error and restore proper operation. The error associated with DTC P2126 revolves around the output voltage from the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B. This sensor plays a vital role in determining the throttle position by sending voltage signals to the PCM. When the output voltage deviates from a prescribed range, specifically readings less than 0.19 volts, or greater than 2.62 volts, the PCM identifies the potential fault and logs this error code. The PCM is responsible for coordinating engine functions and ensuring optimal performance. Therefore, if it lacks accurate input from the APP sensor, it could result in unresponsive or erratic throttle behavior. The APP sensor's location is integrated within the accelerator pedal module, which is typically situated under the dashboard near the driver's footwell. Accessing this part may require the removal of paneling or covers for visual inspection and testing. The significance of this issue extends beyond mere drivability. It also encompasses safety and regulatory aspects of vehicle emissions. When troubleshooting the DTC P2126, it's important to consider several potential causes. A faulty APP sensor is the prime suspect, as physical malfunctions or internal component failures can render it incapable of relaying the correct voltage signals. Additionally, damage to the wiring harness connecting the APP sensor to the PCM can lead to intermittent readings or complete signal loss, contributing to the abnormal voltage outputs. Corrosion, fraying, or shorts in the wiring can compromise its functionality. The PCM itself may also be at fault. If it cannot process or recognize the signals from the APP sensor correctly due to internal issues, it may register erroneous readings. Each of these components must be examined systematically to identify the true source of the problem, ensuring a thorough and effective repair process. Symptoms associated with DTC P2126 can significantly affect vehicle operation. Drivers may experience erratic throttle responses, where an immediate acceleration or deceleration does not correspond accurately with the accelerator pedal's position. This can lead to unsafe driving conditions or difficulty in performing routine maneuvers. Additionally, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system may illuminate the warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver of an issue that needs attention. Reduced vehicle performance is another common symptom, as the inappropriate input from the APP sensor can result in limited power delivery and possibly lower fuel efficiency. It's crucial for both diagnostics and safety that any vehicle exhibiting these symptoms is inspected promptly, as delayed addressing could lead to further mechanical complications. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2126 involves initial vehicle preparations. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. thus allowing the power electronics to initialize without starting the engine. This is a crucial step because it enables the checking of diagnostic values that can be observed through the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. Check the APP sensor B voltage. A reading falling below 0.19 volts or exceeding 2.62 volts confirms the presence of a fault. This diagnostic step helps to replicate the condition under which the warning code was triggered. In case of such deviations, further investigations into the APP sensor and its connections will be required. This initial check is foundational, as it primes the technician for more in-depth diagnostics and repairs. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P2126, begin by safely disconnecting the APP sensor connector, ensuring no other electrical systems are disrupted during this process. With the connector now disconnected, use a jumper wire to link terminals 1 and 3 of the 6-pin APP sensor connector. This simulates an operational condition that helps to verify whether the APP sensor is functioning correctly. Next, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position once again and confirm the HDS APP sensor B voltage. The expected reading here should be more than 0.19 volts. If this voltage is within the standard range, it indicates that the APP sensor itself may have malfunctioned, while a reading below this threshold suggests issues are located elsewhere in the system. This systematic approach helps identify the root cause of the detected DTC effectively and expedites the repairs. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P2126 involves assessing the circuit integrity associated with the APP sensor. With the APP sensor connector still disconnected, follow safety protocols by connecting the PCM connector A and confirming the output voltage from the PCM. This step helps in diagnosing whether the issue resides within the PCM or if the signal path has been compromised. Inspect the VCC2, APS2, and SG2 circuits for continuity and proper resistance values as per the specifications outlined in the Vehicle Maintenance Manual. If any of these circuits display open or short circuit conditions, it suggests potential wiring faults that could be causing the abnormal APP sensor voltage readings. Proper inspection methods include visual checks for physical damage, along with electrical tests for resistance and continuity, ensuring every aspect of the circuit is operating within its designed parameters. In the fourth troubleshooting step, focus on investigating circuit-related problems that might be linked to the DTC P2126. Here, confirm the integrity of connections and pins between the APP sensor and PCM. Loose or corroded connections could lead to fluctuating voltage readings, thus masking a functional APP sensor. To systematize the inspection, refer to the open short wire inspection description detailed in the manual. These guidelines will aid in identifying whether wires have been shorted or broken. Tests should be executed with a multimeter to measure resistance and ensure it falls within acceptable limits as specified. Each circuit should be examined thoroughly, as issues can be subtle, yet impact the entire system's functioning. Identifying and rectifying circuit problems is crucial for restoring proper sensor operation and ensuring vehicle safety and performance. Having followed the diagnostic steps and performed necessary repairs, it is essential to conduct a thorough final verification to ensure everything is functioning properly before returning the vehicle to operation. First, confirm that all connectors, specifically those for the APP sensor and PCM, are securely attached and free of any corrosion that could impede functionality. Subsequently, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the PCM. This will reset the system and allow for accurate monitoring during the next testing phase. After clearing the codes, embark on a test drive to ascertain the performance of the vehicle, focusing particularly on throttle response and any dashboard indicators. A successful test drive should show normal operational behavior without recurrence of the DTC. This will confirm that the issue has been effectively resolved and that the vehicle is safe to drive. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid the recurrence of issues like those indicated by DTC P2126 in the future. Regular inspections of the vehicle's electrical system, specifically the connections pertaining to the APP sensor and its circuits, can mitigate potential failures. Keeping terminals clean and free from corrosion extends the life of both connectors and wiring harnesses, ensuring optimal performance. It is advisable to develop a routine for monitoring sensor performance, such as periodically checking voltages to ensure they remain within specification ranges. Additionally, consider incorporating checks for ground circuit integrity, as faulty grounds can adversely affect sensor readings. By implementing these maintenance strategies, vehicle reliability and performance can be significantly enhanced, minimizing unexpected repairs. In summary, diagnosing and resolving DTC P2126 revolves around understanding the critical role played by the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor. Adhering rigorously to diagnostic procedures outlined in the manual is essential for correctly pinpointing the source of the malfunction, whether it lies within the sensor, the circuitry, or the powertrain control module (PCM) itself. Each step contributes to a comprehensive understanding of vehicle performance and the importance of safe, responsive throttle input. Preventive maintenance cannot be overlooked. Consistent vigilance and systematic checks can help avoid recurring issues that could compromise vehicle security. Thus, becoming familiar with these diagnostics not only aids in repairing current faults, but also enhances long-term vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.